finer points of the financial management so that you are able to take fantastic decisions as far as the finance is concerned. And therefore, what I'm trying to do is to touch upon many of the areas which on the surface will look to be deceptive, but if you capture them, then you will really get a feel of it. And this is one example that I'm discussing with you now. Case study: what should be the current ratio of a well managed company? And remember, I'm highlighting, we are discussing case study of a company which is well managed company. And now please understand, what is the meaning of well managed company? The meaning of well managed company is, number one, it is making profit, and number two, it is making profit progressively. That means every year the profit is increasing. And number two, this company is paying all its obligations on time. So whether the payments are to the creditors, or the payments are to the suppliers, or the payments are to the vendors, or the payments are to the government, or the payments are to the bankers or to the lenders, every payment this company is making on time. And that is the meaning of well managed company. एक कंपनी जो प्रॉफिट बना रही है और अपने फाइनेंशियल ऑब्लिगेशंस को बिना फॉल्ट के पे कर रही है, दैट इज अ वेल मैनेज्ड कंपनी. So we are discussing a case study, and that is how to what should be the ideal current ratio of a well managed company. And here is the case. So first of all, friends, I'm sure I've discussed with you, so you must be aware in any case how to calculate the current ratio. Current ratio कैसे calculate करते हैं? Current assets divided by current liabilities. What is the current asset? We have discussed it earlier in the context of balance sheet. What is the current liability? We have discussed it in the context of again balance sheet. तो आपको मालूम है कि current assets क्या है और current liabilities क्या है, ये आपको मालूम है. अब today morning I came across a balance sheet of a company and I was just going through it actually. तो मैंने देखा कि ये कंपनी का जो करंट रेशियो है वो 31 मार्च 20 को वो 1.6 था, और ये करंट रेशियो 31 मार्च 21 को घट के 1.2 हो गया. यानी कि एक साल पहले द करंट रेशियो वाज 1.6, एक साल के बाद 31 मार्च 21 को ये करंट रेशियो घट के 1.2 रह गया. एंड माय क्वेश्चन टू ऑल ऑफ यू इज इट अ गुड साइन और इज इट अ बैड साइन? Everyone. So we are 22.
It is a bad sign.
It is a bad sign. Okay. So we are 22 of us at the moment, and I would like everyone to respond. Is it a good sign or it is a bad sign?
Sir, good sign.
Good sign. Okay. Very good. Good sign. Okay. Someone is saying bad sign. Someone is saying good sign. Very good. Okay. Everybody must respond to this question because.
Sir, sorry, I said it was a bad sign. As on 31st of March 2021, and it is 1.20, it is a good sign.
Very
that,
good.
Current ratio should be lower.
Lower. Okay, very good. Let me see. Everybody should respond. Everybody should respond and respond quickly. कि ये करंट रेशियो 31 मार्च 20 को 1.6 था और 31 मार्च 21 को घट के 1.2 रह गया. Is it a good sign or it is a bad sign?
It is a good sign.
It is a good sign. Okay. Good sign. Very good. Very good. Very good. And what about the remaining people? Good sign or bad sign? And friends, my heartiest heart. Yeah, please go ahead.
It's good bad sign.
Bad sign. Okay. Okay. It's perfectly fine. I want the response to come from every one of you. Doesn't really matter because वो क्या सही क्या है गलत क्या है हम लोग डिस्कस करके वर्कआउट करेंगे. पर I want everybody to respond. कि गुड साइन क्यों है, बैड साइन क्यों है. ओके, सो समवन इज सेइंग अ गुड साइन, समवन इज सेइंग बैड साइन. नाउ एनीवन हु हैज सेड इट इज अ गुड साइन, प्लीज इलैबोरेट एज टू व्हाई डू यू थिंक द करंट रेशियो गोइंग डाउन फ्रॉम 1.6 to 1.2 of a company which is well managed, why this is a good sign? Anyone of you can respond please.
सर वर्किंग कैपिटल कम हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ, कम हो जाएगा. यस,
तो दैट इज अ गुड साइन.
दैट इज अ गुड साइन. ओके, एंड व्हाई इट इज अ गुड साइन?
अगर इन एट द एंड ऑफ योर वर्किंग कैपिटल अगर कम हो रहा है आपका, तो दैट इज अ कैश इनफ्लो.
That is a cash inflow. Yes, of course. Yes, of course.
So, though effectively company has improved its working capital management,
Yes.
also the cash inflow is increasing. So, और ये भी बोल रहे कि कंपनी टाइम टू टाइम पेमेंट भी करता है.
Absolutely.
So that is overall सब better ही है.
Better ही है. So it is a good sign. It is a good sign. And friends, you are right. It is a good sign. It is a good sign. If you would recollect, when we were discussing about how to improve the working capital management of a business, we discussed a case study. And what did we conclude? We conclude that for tightening working capital management of a business, what the company should do: bring the inventory down, bring the receivables down, bring the bank balance down, bring the loans and advances down, increase the payables. But this is what we discussed. So if this company's current ratio has reduced from 1.6 to 1.2, it means what? It means the current assets have gone down and current liabilities have increased. And therefore the current ratio has come down from 1.6 to 1.2. And this is a good sign. And why this is a good sign? Because company is making profit. Company is making profit and company is paying to all its obligations on time. So that is being taken care of. And if the current ratio from 1.6 to it has come down to 1.2, इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है कि इन्वेंट्री कम होगी, रिसीवेबल्स कम हो गए, बाकी करंट एसेट्स कम हो गए. इसका मतलब कंपनी का उतना पैसा जो पहले वर्किंग कैपिटल में फंसा हुआ था वो रिलीज हो गया, वो फ्री हो गया. यानी कि वो पैसा ये कंपनी डाइवर्सिफिकेशन के लिए, मॉडर्नाइजेशन के लिए, एक्सपेंशन के लिए, डीबॉटलनेकिंग के लिए कहीं भी यूज कर सकती है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई फ्रेंड्स इट इज अ good sign. So therefore, if the current ratio as we see on the screen, if it is going down, provided, please remember, provided company should be making profit. Company should be making profit and company must be taking care of the financial obligations. If company is not making profit, please remember, उस कंपनी का करंट रेशियो तो नीचे आने ही वाला है. अगर एक कंपनी प्रॉफिट नहीं कर रही है तो उस कंपनी का करंट रेशियो तो बाय डिफॉल्ट नीचे आने वाला है. क्यों नीचे आने वाला है? क्योंकि company is not making profit. So company is not making profit. That means it is not paying to the creditors. It is not paying to the lenders. It is not paying to the creditors and the lenders. So उनका जो liabilities है वो बढ़ रही हैं. तो liabilities बढ़ रही हैं और पैसा नहीं है तो बैंक बैलेंस वैसे ही कम है. तो इसका मतलब current assets कम हो रही हैं, current liabilities बढ़ रही हैं. तो company which is making losses is going to have a current ratio which is going to low in any case. But a company which is making profit should have its current ratio low by choice and by design. And this is the point I thought, friends, to share with you as to reduction in the current ratio of a company which is well managed is a sign of operational efficiency. It confirms that the working capital management of this company is very good. It confirms that the management of this company is aware that why should we block our capital in inventory, in receivables, in loans and advances, in cash and bank balance. Why should we do that? We should free our capital from the working capital as much as we can and use that capital for building more assets so as to generate more revenue. Because when we add more assets, we generate more revenue. When we generate more revenue, we make more profit. So this is this case study, friends, on the working capital. So in case if you have any question, you can please ask me. Else we will now move to the next topic.